Hi everyone. Today's video is a special one because this is not just a painting. Today we are bringing a BMW to life on canvas. If you love cars or if you are a BMW fan, then trust me, don't skip this one. Also stay till the end because there is a small mistake in this painting that only real BMW fans will notice. First, I cut the canvas paper for front view car art. Canvas size is very important. Now comes the foundation, the rough sketch. This sketch is the base of the painting. And now the real painting begins. Starting with the car body. Layer by layer, I focus on smooth blending, shading and depth. And here something went wrong. Now comes the moment that truly defines the car. Yeah, headlights. Headlights are not just white, they need light and shadows. I made a small mistake, but correcting them is what makes an artist grow. If you notice this mistake, you are a true BMW fan. Comment below and tell me, did you see it? Now it looks better. Now I'm starting to paint the background. The background should help the car stand out. It may not look impressive yet, but trust the process. just blend smoothly layer by layer. Shadows make the car look real. I'm adding smoke to give a powerful look. This is the final look? No, something is remaining. Yeah, my favorite part. Varnishing. Varnishing gives shine and protection. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let me know which car or artwork you want to see next.